Welcome to SRB Tracking, the future of tracking and location sharing. First, install our SRB Tracking app from Play Store. After the installation completes, open the app and grant it the necessary notification permission, so that we can keep you updated 24/7. We will help you to stay close to family in one touch. Click on Get Started to sign up with your phone number. Upon verification, grant the app permission to access your precise location. Set location permission to allow all the time, so that your loved ones may rest assured and tension-free. Click on Menu on the lower right corner and select Profile to update your profile. Rest easy, as the details you share as well as your location are entirely confidential and are not shared with any other third-party apps. Go back to the home screen of the app and click on Family/Friends from the pop-up menu above. It shows the group you are currently viewing. The privacy settings of the groups are shown adjacent to the group name. Blue means private and green means the group is public. Each group has a unique code which is used to distinguish groups with the same name. Click on New Group option to create a new group for your loved ones. Here you'll see two options, public and private. Enter the name of your new group and select your desired privacy setting. Click on the group name in order to view the members list. In order to join an existing group, go back to the pop-up screen and click on Join Group button. Enter the unique code and click on Join Group button. Your group will appear on your screen. In order to access a particular person's location history, click on the person's name and you'll be presented with a detailed location timeline of that person. Now tracking someone is at your fingertips. If you want to see previous day's location timeline, you can change the date from above. You can invite people to join your group by clicking on the Invite Group from the pop-up menu in the home screen. You can change the group settings just by tapping on the group name. You can also leave a group whenever you want to. And if you're the owner of a group, you can even delete a group. And guess what? You can even share your location temporarily, and automatic scheduling of location sharing is also available. Are you in a pinch? Fear not, we got you covered. In our app we have an emergency SOS button with a 10-second timer, through which you can send a live emergency broadcast to your added SOS contacts, near and dear ones. Add the contacts of your loved ones and be safe out there. Don't want to share your location in order to protect your privacy? We even got an inbuilt kill switch for you. Just one tap and poof, you vanish off the grid, just like that. Speaking of automatic scheduling of location sharing, you can change your scheduled location tracking time and days from the settings. And if you ever feel dissatisfied with our services, which we guarantee that you won't be, you can always delete your account, and we'll remove everything related to you from our databases within a maximum period of 30 days. Thank you for downloading our app, and we hope that you're as excited to try out these new features as we are, to have you on board with us.